So peeps, you know that Beenie Man has come in for a lot of criticism down the years throughout the course of his career. One of the major one is that he hasn't done enough to unearth talent and bring young artists to the fore, and we see now where he has rubbished those claims in recent times. So I'll talk about that. Also, I'll give you some bonus clips of him addressing students at the University of Technology about career development and sustainability. Soon come. Before we proceed, smash the like button to pieces, leave a comment, please share the life out of this video, feel free to subscribe for more content, remember to turn on your notification so as to never miss another video.
Let's do it.
Beenie Man has hit back at detractors who claim that the veteran dancehall entertainer has done little to facilitate the development of upcoming DJs during his career. During his recent performance at the Live at the Devon concert series in Kingston, Beenie Man listed a number of artists whose career development he has assisted, including his rival Bounty Killer. Them say Beenie Man no boss no artist, but Beenie Man boss Beenie Man. Ain't I an artist? I boss myself, he said while interacting with the audience after delivering one of his hit songs, Let's Go to the Beach. He then added that without Beenie Man, you wouldn't have a Bounty Killer. So Beenie Man boss Bounty Killer to don't it? And Bounty Killer boss Beenie Man to don't it? Beenie and Bounty Killer had an ongoing feud during the heights of their career in the 90s that spilled over in the 2000s before quashing their differences in recent years. The Doctor also claimed to have assisted with the careers of Determined and Bling Dog by doing songs with them when they were virtually unknown acts. So when we pick up an artist and do kete jump, make me hear the sound. I never bust the artist. I did left him for suffer, Beenie Man said in reference to his 1996 hit collaboration Kete Jump with Determined. When me do, I am bad and I don't give a damn with Bling Dog. What me did do, I never bust the artist, he said about circumstances that was done with Bling Dog. Beenie Man said, I ain't a boss artist to manage artists. My boss artist to send him out there on him own. So me carry you go a see, you learn to do your own thing and then you hook your own band. You don't come lean pan I. Mine is for me and my family. For years Beenie Man has been dogged by accusations that he has not done enough to help younger artists. Female DJ Spice took the latest jab at the veteran over allegedly not helping upcoming artists in a social media spot after Beenie Man questioned whether she was deserving of the Queen of the Dancehall label.
Beat and teach, so beat and teach, so beat and teach, 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 beat and teach.
So fine, Beenie Man made a few interesting points. Yes, and he has assisted with the development of a number of artists' career. But based on the influence that Beenie Man has had over the past 2 to 3 decades in the dancehall space, could Beenie Man not have done more to unearth, develop, nurture, and bring young talents to the fore? That is a question that I left to my viewers and subscribers. So hit me up in the comment section down below and tell me if you think Beenie Man is saying nothing here or if he is just trying to save face, knowing that he could have done more. So as I had promised in the intro, these are a couple bonus clips of Beenie Man addressing students at the University of the Technology on developing and sustaining a career for as long as he has done. Enjoy.
I always tell myself 10 or 10,000 the performance will be in the same. So send me go and when you the promoter and not promote it right. But some Beenie Man fans pass and see the posters and say, you know, so I'm not going to do tonight, but I know you're going to show you. I go come and artist step on it and say the promoter expect 5,000 people and 1,000 people forward. You're not going to expect to get full payment. It's not for you to be at the venue and most of the people them out there and don't go to 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Because when you do that, the man who in this nice stage show call him friend and say, oh, you miss a wicked show. Then you get a next booking because you missed the show and I want to book your for himself. Then I call him next friend and say, John, want to show wicked, then him go on to see the show. So this is how you get bookings. Through the audience. Not through the man who goes, oh, man, I'm not fool, we don't like him, I'm alone, I say that. Because there are 9 people who got out that were you give to them the music, the energy, the vibes. Them know everything about you, I don't know. You know, everything about you there in a newspaper because he's a public figure. He's a public man. You are idolized by a whole heap of people. But you now have to be that man, regardless of how people love you or how people idolize you. You have to be that down-to-earth person and have that charisma and that charm for the ladies. So when you go on stage, you smile at that. You don't go up on stage and look. Smile. See? So the woman them smile again. The man there can smile with them. I don't need that neither. See? Yeah. But that's why I know say if a man stand up in a concert and a man folds up, I know if you make a girl dance for him so he can't move him, man. Because I'm a follower. You see? This is why you need to know. So building a career is one, but maintaining a career is the other. In my mind, manager now. So you have to know, say, if you have somebody inside of you who have to deal with you, your family, your life, responsible for you, then you know, say, you're comfortable. But if you have somebody who think about themselves, he want a Benz, so you are driving a Benz, he want a Benz too. You buy a house, he want a house too. You not do the work where you do to buy a house. So you have to know these things in life, my life. When it comes to people where you are put in place, you have to, you know, run security check, name check. If they never got jail for thief or egg, you have to know all of these things. Because they might kill your wife for it. You see me? So you have to know all of these things. So you have to write the seniors, but you have to know where you are. You can't just take up him and say, alright, I'm a manager. He not about management. And you don't know him by now.
This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.